there, quilty friend. It's Carolina Moore, your favorite sewing and quilting YouTuber, and we are on block 6 of our 9-patch block of the month. This is our 2024 block of the month. It is on a calendar. If you don't have the calendar yet, you want to get it because it includes really fun holidays that quilters should celebrate, and it includes the pattern for this block of the month. There's still plenty of time to get caught up, so go down to the description, get the information, and then you can join in. Friends, those who are sewing with me, let's get started. So I've cut out all my pieces, and just like most months, we're starting off with half square triangles. And these are a nice big half square triangles, so we're going to use this ruler again. And we're just going to draw our diagonal lines. We've marked all of our background squares, and we're going to pair them up with the foreground squares and just sew right on those lines. We've done this a bunch of times throughout the series, so we're going to do it again. This time we're making 4, so it'll be a total of 8 half square triangles. There we go. We have stitched all of our lines, and now we just need to cut them in half right down the middle. Oh, this one. There we go. All of these are going to get pressed towards the dark. Now you can either square these up or just cut off your dog ears, depending on your personal preference for perfection. Now I can lay the whole thing out. Oh, this one is not right. Hold on. There we go. That's right. Okay, we have it all laid out. We're going to sew pairs, sew the third one onto each pair. Then we're going to press. This is pressed out, in, out, and then we're going to sew our rows together. We have our rows together. Now we are going to press these seams in. There we go. All right, friends, that's block 6 complete. We're halfway done with this series. I can't believe we're halfway already. That's mind-boggling. How are we halfway? Well, we're not quite halfway through the year. End of this month, we'll be halfway through the year. But we are halfway through our block of the month. So I'm going to add this block to the rest. And that's it for today. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you've given this video a thumbs up so YouTube will show you more videos just like this. And leave comments below. I can't wait to hear how it's going for y'all. Friends, that's it for today. I will see you right here real soon. Bye for now.